Hello, you are welcome back to Quiver Analytics, and in this video we will look at one sample still on non-parametric series. So we'll look at one sample kolmogorovSminorv tests. Now in this test is about, you can read this up. I'm just going to talk from my mind. Okay, all right. So in this test, we have a distribution, and the objective is to test if it is similar to another distribution. It can be normal distribution, Poisson distribution, and so on. So here the null hypothesis for the example we are going to examine now, the null hypothesis is that there is no difference between the observed distribution of knowledge. So a survey was done to to examine people's knowledge on a particular subject, and so now I want to test if truly the distribution or the data collected is different from normal or not. So the null hypothesis is that there is no difference, there is no difference between the observed distribution of knowledge scores and normally distributed empirical sample. So what the test does is you supply it the observed tests, the observed distribution, data distribution, and it develops its own empirical distribution by itself using cumulative frequencies, and then it tests if there's actually a difference between these distributions. All right, so let's go straight into SPSS. Okay, so we have a data here. We have knowledge, and this is the scores for the knowledge. The highest is 6. All right, so we'll go straight to, okay, let's go to the, you can see it is ordinal. Of course, we made it ordinal. It can be anything. All right, so let's go straight to the tests. Non-parametric tests, legacy dialogues, one sample KS, that's kolmogorovSminorv. It's here already. So if you're interested in uniform, exponential, Poisson, then okay, we take descriptives as well, descriptives and quartiles. All right, so let's run that. So now for the, okay, so this is the descriptives, the quartiles, the mean, the standard deviation, it's 3.6, and standard deviation is blah blah. All right, so let's see. Once sample kolmogorovSminorv tests, the test one, sorry. So this is test one for normal distribution. The p-value is 0.0. So you can see this is the most extreme differences. Okay, all right, so we have the p-value for one sample, the KS test, which implies that there is no difference between this and normal distribution. Same thing goes for every other one, because it is, once it is normal, it's significant for the rest as well. But for a distribution that is not normal, we can have varying options for different distributions. For the this is uniform, and this is Poisson, this is exponential parameters. All right, so that's all. Very quick one for the one sample non-parametric tests. All right, so in the next video we'll further our discussion on non-parametric tests. Don't forget to like our videos and subscribe. Thank you, and see you in the next video.